Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Update iPad OS and OneNote and pair your Apple Pencil so pressure and tilt are active. Once done, open OneNote and pick a notebook in section. Make sure you tap Draw to enter ink mode. Choose a pen type and color from the Draw toolbar, then test a quick stroke to verify responsiveness. This gets you past setup quickly so you can focus on writing, sketching, or annotating content immediately. You now refine how you write. Choose pen, highlighter, or eraser and adjust thickness and color to match your task. Use pressure and tilt to control stroke weight and enable any predictive ink or handwriting to text options to improve legibility. When you need to edit, use the lasso select to group strokes, move them, resize, or convert handwriting to searchable text. Make sure to save or sync after larger changes, because OneNote syncs in the background, but manual sync avoids accidental loss. Finish by organizing and preserving your work. Move pages into sections, add tags for search, and save templates for repeat layouts. When you need to share, export a page as PDF or image and use the share sheet to send it. If you run into issues like lag, make sure to close heavy background apps, reduce pen smoothing in OneNote settings, and restart the app or iPad. If ink won't appear, repair the pencil and check Bluetooth and battery levels before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.